For this video series, we are going to be using a resource called CodePen. It's very lightweight, easy to use, it's all done online, so we are going to navigate there now at CodePen.io. And here's what the platform looks like. What we'll do next is sign up for free, and we'll create a free account, and that button should be down here in the bottom left corner. So we can click on that, and there's a couple of different options for you here. The best way is to sign up by email. You can put your name in there, your username that you would like, your email address, and your password, and hit submit. So I am going to sign in for you from my account, and we'll take a look at this platform. And once you get in, you can see that there are some pens that are posted from other folks, and we can go to our dashboard and see our pens that have been created, and we can make a new one. And in order to do that, we're going to go to Create, and we're going to create a pen. And when this pops up, you'll see three windows: the HTML editor, the CSS editor, and the JavaScript editor. So we can write code in each of these windows, and we can drag this bottom half to see our page render.